Can a car really be both a powerhouse and the safest electric vehicle in the world? Meet the Huawei Maextro S800, a luxury EV that doesn't just look stunning, it might just save your life in a crash. This isn't hype, it's crash-tested, data-driven engineering. The Huawei Maextro S800 is making waves in the electric vehicle world. With an eye-watering 852 horsepower and cutting-edge safety architecture, this sleek electric sedan is turning heads and turning the tables on what we expect from EVs. Huawei, best known for its dominance in tech, has partnered with Jack Motors to redefine automotive excellence. As the EV market booms, safety has become a major selling point, and Huawei is betting big on building the safest, smartest electric cars in the game. Let's talk numbers and features. The Maextro S800 puts out an astonishing 852 horsepower, supported by an advanced electric drivetrain. But this car isn't just fast, it's built like a fortress. In a head-on crash test with a 9-ton heavy-duty truck at 50 kilometers per hour, that's just over 31 miles per hour, the S800 held its ground. The passenger cabin remained completely intact, and every onboard safety system activated instantly. The magic behind that performance? Huawei's Xuanwu safety architecture. Over 92% of the vehicle's body is constructed from ultra-high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum. This design isn't just for rigidity, it channels crash energy away from passengers. It gets smarter. With 4 LiDAR sensors and 32 total detection points, the S800 constantly monitors its environment. It features Gemini, a redundant safety system that tightens seatbelts, adjusts seating positions, and even unlocks doors automatically in the event of a crash. And if impact occurs, it switches to backup power and alerts emergency services instantly. And yes, it's also luxurious. Rear-wheel steering offers up to 16 degrees of movement, enabling crab walk mode for tight spaces, while adaptive suspension and dynamic headlights adjust to the road in real time. The Maextro S800 isn't just another electric luxury car. It's a challenge to the entire industry. While many automakers are chasing range or performance, Huawei is aiming for a complete redefinition of what it means to drive safely. This car could reset the standard for safety in the EV space. Instead of relying solely on airbags or crumple zones, Huawei integrates predictive AI, real-time environment sensing, and automatic emergency responses, all built into the chassis. For the consumer, this means peace of mind in a future that often feels uncertain. For the industry, it means stepping up, because the Maextro S800 shows that high performance and high safety can and should go hand in hand. Whether you're navigating urban streets or highways, this car isn't just driving, it's watching, learning, and protecting. As one Huawei executive put it, "Safety isn't a feature, it's a philosophy." The Maextro S800 reflects our belief that technology should serve humanity, especially when lives are on the line. The Huawei Maextro S800 blends brute strength with brilliant intelligence. With unmatched power and breakthrough safety, it's more than just a car. It's the future of electric driving, delivered today. What do you think of the Maextro S800? Could it reshape the way we think about electric cars? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more on the latest in EV tech and innovation.